Today I am going to conduct the class of standard 8, that is I am going to take the poem Leisure. So this poem is for memorization, so you have to learn by heart. So the poet here is W.H. Davies. So I have already written on the board. Leisure poem is written by W.H. Davies, and first I want to tell you about the poem. So Leisure by W.H. Davies is an incredible poem about taking time to look around and notice the beauty of that everyday world. Okay, incredible means impossible to believe. Like we can't think over it, or it is impossible to believe. So that is called as incredible. Okay, keep it in mind. Incredible means impossible to believe. So W.H. Davies is an incredible poem about taking time to look around and notice the everyday beauty, the beauty that every day holds. Every day we have got leisure time, we have got free time. But when we get free, what we'll do? Either we'll play mobile, or we'll watch and sit and watch TV, or we go and sleep. But we don't admire the beauty of the nature. If you go out and see, you have got beautiful birds, beautiful butterflies, the garden, the flowers, etc. But we don't go and enjoy that beauty which every day it holds in the different way and different types. So Davies does a wonderful job of opening the eyes of all those who read this marvelous work. So all those who are reading this marvelous thing, so you should know what is the real beauty outside, not inside. Okay, so it teaches us that we need to slow our lives down and take a look around and notice the little things. We should take advantage of the little time. Means little things. These are the all little things. The little time we have to spare for the sake of the beauty of the nature. And the little things. These are all the advantages of the little time that we have on the earth, and pay attention to the little things. So we are here all the water. We are all the travelers. Our life is not permanent here. One or the other day we have to go to a final abode. So till we stay in the world, or till we are living, so we have to not only think of ourselves, but we also have to think of the nature, the beauty around it, the environment, everything. The birds, the animals, the plants, the flowers blooming, the sun rising. How many of you see that early morning when the sun rises, the sunset? We all don't see that. So W.H. Davies tells us to do all these things. So the summary of the poem is about the leisure. The summary is this poem by William Henry Davies. The full form of W.H. is William Henry Davies. So the full form of W.H. Davies is William Henry Davies is a sonnet. Okay, so this is an incredible poem that is impossible to believe, I said, where one had to take time to look around and watch the beauty of the nature. So we must have some time for us, not that we are all the time busy. Now as it is, you have got the pandemic, so you have got enough time. So come out and enjoy the nature's beauty, children. It is very beautiful. The early morning sunrise, the dew falling on the leaves, the birds chirping early morning, and you can hear different sounds. Okay, and the cool and pleasant climate. So everything, you can see the flowers blooming. So this is the time. We must spare little time for the sake of the nature. Each teaches us that we need to slow our lives and notice the little things around us. Means we are very fast. Everything we want to do urgent. So we must slow our life. We must go little slowly. Slowly means we must enjoy each and everything in our life. Not only eating and sleeping, or only studying or taking notes or seeing the videos, but also we have to see the environment, the place where we are living around us. We are back of time. We don't fix time to admire the wonderful creation. So for everything we have got time. We have got time to sleep. We have got time to eat. We have got time to rest. We have got time to enjoy. We have got time to watch movies. Everything we have got time. But for this wonderful creation which God has created, the sea, the oceans, the mountains, yes, etc. So these are all other creations of God. So we don't have time for this wonderful creation. So we have no time to look around at the animals like sheep, cow and squirrels. So you know, early morning you have seen the cocks crowing. Yes, that is a wake up time. So like this way you can see the birds chirping early morning. Yes, so we won't see the animals like sheep, cow and squirrel, which we, even when we pass by, if we see them, we just neglect them. We won't see the beauty in them, or that is the creation of God. So we won't have time, a bit time to stand and watch, observe or to see the wonderful creation. So when we pass in the woods, we have no time to see where the squirrels hole their nests or in grass, nuts in grass. So what do the squirrels do? They do their this thing. They hide their nuts. They eat nuts. Squirrel eats nuts. So what do these squirrels do? They go to the grass and they hide their nuts in their grass. So whenever they want, they can eat it. So when we pass in the woods, also in the forest and all, we can see squirrel. But did you ever observe those hiding of their nuts in the grass? No, we have not watched that. So they do the hiding of the nuts in the grass. We have no time to see in broad daylight or the stars during the night. So in the daylight we don't have early morning sunrise, we don't see. Even in the daytime sun we don't see. Nor in the night we don't see the stars. If you come out in the night in the sky, you can see beautiful stars. So we don't have time to admire this beautiful creation. So this is a poor life where we are for it and have no time to stand a while and stay the nature. So this is a beautiful thing what W.H. Davis tells us, that William Henry Davis, that we don't have any time to stand and watch the beautiful nature what God has given us. So children, till now you have not done it. At least now from today onwards, take some time. Admire the beauty of the nature, the God's creation. You will really enjoy it. See the blooming flowers. See the early morning dews. See the pleasant climate outside. The sunrise, when the rains fall. When you can see the animals around you. The birds chirping. Yes, now you can't go to the woods and all, but the close area, the place where you stay in your locality, at least you can enjoy the outside beauty, not only the inside. What's going on outside, the animals moving around, you can see cows, dogs and all. So do you admire them? These are all the creation of God. So W.H. Davis wants us to do that. So this is what he tells in the poem Leisure. That is, everyone has got leisure, but we don't make use of it in a proper way. Okay, so from today onwards, children, you are going to make use of it in a proper way, and in the next, you can write in your own words what you think about the nature, what God has given, what you had seen, what you had observed. You can write an essay or a paragraph saying that. How did you feel when you saw this? You were getting up early morning, hearing the birds chirping. Yes, you can hear the different sounds, you can hear the pleasant climate, you can see the animals, you can see so many things are there around us. You can see the flowers in the garden where they bloom, where the butterflies come and take the nectars. So these are all the beautiful things, children. So from today, at least watch and write at least some 6 to 8 lines about it, what you have noticed. And you can write it in your fair book also, no problem, children. You can write it in a fair book, a paragraph each about the beauty of the nature. And this is the poem which you have to memorize. So this poem you have to learn by heart. I will be sending it in your notes in the PDF. I will be sending you the poem. So write the poem, learn the poem by heart because it is a must and should memorization poem. I didn't say the earlier one, but this poem is for memorization. So start learning as soon as you get the poem. So now I'll be going to the poem, children. So I'm going to write about the poet, children. Just see, I'll be explaining to you also while writing. William Henry Davies, that is from 1871 to 1940, was one of the most popular poets of his time. The principal things in his works are the marvels of nature and observations about life's hardship. We find simplicity and the use of the native tongue in his poems. Most of his poetry is on the subject of nature or life on the road. It exhibits the poet. I will be reading for you once again about the poet. William Henry Davies, 1871 to 1940, was one of the most popular poets of his time. The principal themes in his works are the marvels of nature and observation about life's hardship. We find simplicity and the use of the native tongue in his poems. Most of his poetry is on the subjects of nature or life on the road. It exhibits a natural, simple and earthy style. So did you like the this thing, children? Introduction and about the poem summary. So I want you all to go through this note of the poem and about the poet and the summary. Just go through. Listen to the poem narration. That is the summary what I have given. So in the next class I am going to begin the poem. And also I will be giving you the second lesson notes. The boy who sold the wisdom in the next class. So within 1 or 2 days you will be getting that notes. Please copy and learn the day-to-day notes given and please see the video. Thank you, children.